Let me tell you a little secret. Sometimes the valley season doesn't actually look like the valley season. Sometimes you can actually be pretty comfortable and therefore not know that you're in the valley season. What marks the valley season is how many times and how hard you get tested. How many times God is asking you to be obedient despite what you're seeing and despite what you're feeling. Even how large the tests of obedience is. That's how you measure whether you're in the valley season or not. Sometimes you can, again, be pretty comfortable in the valley season. And that in itself is also a ploy of the enemy to try to keep you in that season. Because you'll find comforts there. You will find some certain joys there, not realizing that you're being tested and fortified for more. So then you enter into your valley season thinking that you've actually made something, gone somewhere, and get comfortable and never open the door or enter into the open door that God actually has for you. See, God always wants to bring you higher. The things God has for you are innumerable. You can't even begin to fathom the real blessing God has for you. But what the enemy wants is that if he can't take you lower, he's going to just maintain you where you are. He might not be able to pull you back, but what he will try to do is keep you in a season. And sometimes he does that through your lack of awareness of what the season and the time really is. So I just wanted to encourage you right now. This is a relatively short video because it's just a word of encouragement. I just wanted to encourage you that regardless of whatever your valley season might look like, don't think to yourself you've made it until God says that you've made it. The wilderness, even though God's presence was there and the children of Israel were eating well, clothed well, being guided by pillars of fire and smoke each day, they still weren't actually in their land of Canaan. So some people could confuse that and begin to think, oh, we've made it. But in matter of fact, you're on the way, you're in the journey. So don't get comfortable there, one. And number two, understand that right now, your valley season is measured by your tests. And stay minded that way, stay guarded that way. And I know that God will help you and will bring you to the other side of overcoming all of them. Remember, tests come to test something that's already there. When you go to school and you sit down for an exam, you're not studying material you've never seen before. It's always something that you have seen and also had an opportunity to study and be fortified in. When God tests, He's testing to approve you, to approve whatever is already in you. So don't be afraid of the tests, because know that the one who is testing you has already done the fortification. He is testing his own handiwork. So rely on his strength, rely on him, and make sure that you get out of the valley season. Don't stay there. Get into the land of promise, because that is what you're really waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single day besides Sunday, so there's always a fresh new video for you here on this channel. So join the fam and make sure you like, because liking really helps with the algorithm and pushing these videos to more and more people who could be blessed by them. I love you. Know that God loves you even more and that you are highly, highly, highly blessed. Stay blessed.